I'm Dr. Gary Dudley, and I started Atlanta Area Psychological Associates in 1980. I'm a clinical psychologist and have a background in teaching and research. In fact, I consider myself primarily a teacher of life management skills to children, families, and individuals of all ages and from all walks of life. We're a group of 15 psychologists and licensed counselors. We offer a wide range of services to a very diverse population. We have 4 offices in the metro Atlanta area, here in Marietta, Acworth, Alpharetta, and Cumming. We believe that we can have the greatest impact on our community when we share our resources, knowledge, and experiences. We have more than 200 years of collective experience. Our patients benefit greatly from our experience. We all share a philosophy that I developed very early in my career. Because I had the good fortune to train with Professor Erik Erikson, I've taken a lifespan development approach rather than a sickness approach in my work with clients. People come to us at a certain point in their development, and we help them improve in ways that will empower them and move them successfully on for the next stage of development. In this way, we aren't attempting to cure a disease or fix a problem. We're helping with a life journey. We provide individual counseling as well as couples and relationship counseling and group counseling. We see many children and families and take pride in our history of success with children who come to us with issues related to attention deficit disorder and assorted behavioral problems. We work with children who have autism and Asperger's syndrome. We have extensive experience working with children, and our goal is to build rapport with them and provide a safe place for them to grow. Counseling and play therapy with young children is frequently appropriate, while more traditional counseling with adolescents and adults is readily available. Whether the problem is suspected attention deficit disorder, learning disabilities, or conflict and stress in everyday life situations such as divorce, traumatic injury, or a history of abuse and domestic violence, or related to alcohol or drug problems, an effective treatment plan often begins with professional psychodiagnostic services. We have a state-certified drug and alcohol abuse program, as well as a state-certified domestic violence counseling program. Our state-certified program in alcohol and drug addiction allows us to do on-site drug and alcohol testing, which means the client can receive the testing as a part of their regular office visit, as opposed to a separate visit to their physician or drug testing facility. We're committed to staying on the cutting edge of available therapies. Our work in neurofeedback is an example of this. In some cases, treatment of attention deficit disorder is provided with the use of neurofeedback therapy. This often allows us to successfully treat attention deficit problems with reduced medication and in some cases without medications. We've developed administrative procedures that make becoming a client in our practice as simple and efficient as possible. We know how confusing and overwhelming insurance coverage can be. From the first telephone contact, the client interacts with a real person rather than an answering machine who helps them with their insurance coverage and places them with a counselor that meets their needs. A kind and professional voice on the other end of the line will take the client's information and schedule an initial appointment, usually within a few days if needed. For an appointment, call 770-953-6401. Select option 1 and speak with our intake coordinator. For more than 30 years, we at Atlanta Area Psychological Associates have been serving the Atlanta metro community with the highest quality of care and service. People come to us for all sorts of reasons. Often, they're in crisis because of very specific traumas or experiences, or they come because they're having a difficult time adjusting to changes and stress in their lives and need some help and guidance. Regardless of why you come to us, we are confident that when you come to us, you can trust that we will do our best to help you achieve success in your life and relationships. This is what we have been doing for more than 30 years.